Hi, I'm Tom Silver, scientific hypnotherapist, and I want to congratulate you on purchasing your 8-DVD Scientific Hypnotherapy and ERT Emotion Replacement Therapy Home Study Training course. In this special 8-DVD series, you're going to learn how to conduct a full hypnotherapy session. You're going to learn cutting-edge hypnosis induction techniques to put your client into a very receptive state of hypnosis. You're also going to learn EEG hypnotherapy, the aspect of using neurofeedback incorporated into your hypnotherapy session. The video series also includes live hypnotherapy sessions to help a client stop smoking using ERT, to remove fears and phobias using ERT, and also 2 live hypnotherapy sessions that I conducted at my office in Westlake Village, California. So you'll see 2 full live hypnotherapy sessions from beginning to end. In this home study training course, you're going to learn some of the most powerful hypnosis cutting-edge induction techniques, interactive hypnotherapy methods, physical hypnotherapy methods, and even shock induction methods to hypnotize your clients very quickly and very receptively into hypnosis. As you are watching and learning hypnotherapy in my home study training course, you might notice a few audio glitches as you're watching the course. These glitches occurred during the recording of my hypnotherapy training course in Studio City, California. But I thought it so important to put this video home study training course out that I put it out because it has a wealth of knowledge, techniques, and methods. This is university hypnosis, academic, scientific hypnosis at its best. So I'm Tom Silver, and I hope you enjoy learning through this home study hypnosis and ERT training course. Once you've learned the techniques, it's time for you to start on your path as a scientific hypnotherapist and an ERT, emotion replacement therapist. I'm Tom Silver, and I hope you enjoy your scientific hypnosis 8-DVD home study training course. Now, when I count from 3 down to 0 and I reach 0, I want you to let that left hand drop onto your lap, but close your eyes right now. So with your eyes closed, you're able to focus and concentrate. You're able to visualize within your mind very quickly and easily, naturally right now. So when I count from 3 down to 0, and I say the word relax or let go or now or even the word sleep, I want you to let that left hand drop right onto your lap when I reach 0. Not slowly, not consciously, but I want you to let it drop right onto your lap instantly and automatically when I reach 0. Okay, imagine it. When I reach 0, just let it happen. 3, 2, 1, 0. Relax. Good, you're doing perfect. Just relax. When we guide you through it in the class this morning. So on the count of 5, you'll open your eyes and awaken feeling really good with a great big smile, a lot of energy. On the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wake up! What do you think? Nice, huh? Yeah. I don't even care if they're making it a conscious movement when I'm ready to hypnotize them. So sometimes I'll say, you know, imagine, visualize, maybe pretend. And if their hand's not moving up into the air, I'll say even to the subject, now just lift that hand up into the air with your eyes closed. Because that's not the point of impact of transforming them down to a low frequency state. So if you start analyzing too much, are they thinking about it? Are they pretending to do it? What's it going to do? It's going to distract your focus and concentration. You're looking for the end result. And all the methods in the process is to get you to that end result. And sometimes I'll see a person's not, and I've even done this on TV shows. I'll see a person's hands not coming up in the air. I'll say, now with your eyes closed, just lift that hand in the air. Just let it go all the way up into the air. I don't care if it's a subconscious or a conscious movement. I'll even say that to them. So that is cool when you think about it. Then you're eliminating your fear of failing. And there's really no failing because you're testing it. Not everyone is going to go into very deep hypnosis. Not everyone's going to be completely unconscious, like I was telling you, Cynthia. But you will see definitely frequency changes. And the more that you practice these techniques and get used to them, your whole goal is to increase your percentage of clients going into this state of hypnosis. Most people with progressive relaxation is only about 10% effective in producing what you call somnambulism or delta. You want to be at least 75 to 85%. And you will be once you're through and you know all of these techniques. And the other cool thing, Victor, is if one technique doesn't work, it's no big deal. You go right on to the other one. Don't think of yourself as failing. Don't think of the client as failing, because no one's failing. All you're doing is you're generating a frequency change in the brain. And so sometimes I might do 2 or 3 different techniques until I get that person. You know, it's almost like fishing. You got a little hook, you know, it's nibbling. You're not going to catch that fish maybe the first time, but then put on a new piece of bait, do another induction. But again, when you also say that you're working as a team, it's almost as though the hypnotist isn't saying, I'm doing this to you. We're working together.